You have a blended family. How can a life insurance be used in order to support your estate plan and take care of your kids that you had from a prior relationship? Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate lawyer, and today I'd like to answer that question for you because it was recently asked of me. So you can use life insurance to supplement and support your estate plan. Let me give you a for instance. Say you have 3 kids and you want to be able to set up something for them to pay for their college if something were to happen to you. You see, if something were to happen to you, they would definitely receive a Social Security benefit as long as they're minors, but you want to be able to supplement their health, education, and things along those lines. So say you go ahead and get a $150,000 term life insurance policy or whole life insurance policy, and then you can go ahead and you can set up a trust for the benefit of the kids. It can either be a pooled or Totten trust or individual separate share trust, and then you can have the trust or trustee be the beneficiary of that life insurance. It can go and be payable into the trust, and then it can follow your rules and regulations and your playbook in order how the money is to be used. For instance, if your kids are young and you want to pool the money together, it can be used for their health, education, things along those lines. Travel, extracurricular activities in order to supplement any type of Social Security that they may get or supplement their living expenses if somebody else is taking care of them. And then once the minor child becomes either 18 or 21, you can break whatever's left out into 3 separate shares or however you want to do it. So life insurance can really play an important part if you have a blended family and you have kids that may need support. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.